Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video, we're going to have a look at how we can snip or cut sections of a graph by restricting the domain and range on the Desmos online graphing calculator. To do this, getting started, we'll just click on the Open Graphing Calculator here from the desmos.com main page, which takes us to our graphing calculator. Getting started, let's look at how we can restrict the domain or x values. To do that, we'll go here to this keyboard screen here, and let's enter a simple parabola. We'll go y equals x squared. There we go. We've got a parabola now here that goes on continuously on either side. But let's say we just wanted to worry about the x values to the right of the 0x line. If we wanted to snip out that section or restrict it, what we would do is either on our keyboard or down here on the ABC section, go to this screen here and choose the curly brackets. So we'll hit that and then back to our first calculator mode and go x greater than 0. And now we see the x negative values have been removed and we only have the right side of the parabola here. We can also restrict both sides by entering a greater than and a less than for that x. So if we go, for example, -2 less than x, and then greater than 2, we see we have our parabola restricted between the -2x and the positive 2x. So we've snipped out this bottom section here, getting rid of any other stuff that we don't need to worry about. What about restricting the range or y values? Well, we can do that in the same way. Let's say we have a line like y equals 2x plus 1. There we go. We've got that line that cuts right through our parabola. But what if we only wanted to worry about that line where it's greater than -1? Well, to do that, again, we go into our ABC menu or on our keyboard and put in those curly brackets, and then back to our other 1, 2, 3 menu, and we can go y greater than -1. And we see we've snipped away everything below -1 on that line. What about combining the two? Let's say we have a circle where we have x squared plus y squared equals 25. There we go. Well, like we said, we want to combine the two, so we want to stack our domain and range. Let's say we only want to see this circle in the top right quadrant here. So to do that, again, we get our curly brackets, and then back to our other keyboard, and we'll go x greater than 0, and then move our cursor over to the right so that we're out of our curly brackets. Set up another set of brackets, and y greater than 0. And see, we only have that top right quadrant part of the circle. This is great for when we just want to isolate a specific part of our graph and not have the rest of it cluttering up our screen. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really hope this has been helpful. If it has, you can help me out by hitting that like button and subscribe for more calculator tips in the future. And, as always, Good luck on those tests out there, everybody. You've got this.